The day the earth stood still. It looks like that day is today, at least on Rollercoin, with a new puzzle event that just launched, and we also have a race event that's going on as well. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so a puzzle event and a race event all at the same time on Rollercoin right now. On my screen here you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and here you can see the race tournament that at the time of recording this video there is 23 hours and 45 minutes remaining. So this race tournament just started 15 minutes ago, and basically it is there for 1 day only. I'll be uploading this video shortly, so a little less time will be there for this race tournament. But basically what you need to do is you need to open lucky RLT loot boxes. I have opened a few so far. I've opened around 11 so far, and I got 11,000 points. So for every lucky loot box that you open, you will get 1,000 points. Currently I'm at position 16. The first place winner at the moment is Ski Roller, 331,000. Wow, so that's 331 loot boxes. Now, at the same time, why would you open lucky loot boxes? Well, right now we also have a puzzle event going on, and some of the tasks that you have to complete the puzzle event are opening loot boxes. So here you can see open 18 lucky RLT cases, or open 34 RLT cases, 54 RLT cases, 82 RLT cases. So I would definitely go for the lower cost loot boxes, the lucky loot boxes, and the lower cost one is the one that costs 3 RLT. Okay, so here you can be lucky and maybe find something. I don't know, let's see. So I stayed where I was, so that's one free lucky loot box that I opened, and I got one step closer to completing those tasks, and I got up in the position of the race tournament as well. Let's try another one. So this time again I stayed where I was. See? So you never know. You might lose some, you might win some. So actually you can win 60 RLT, you can win 300 RLT, you can win 600 RLT. So you never know, okay? So that is that. So let's go back to the puzzle event. And the puzzle event here, like the typical puzzle event that we've seen in the past, you've got the puzzle here to kind of reveal the picture at the back, and you can get double the rewards for each and every 4 UFOs that you collect. Okay, so here once you get to level 4, once you've done 4 tasks, you will be able to get the STVE. This miner can be sold, and it gives you 432 terahash per second. When you complete 8, you get the amethyst, and this is 2 petahash, and it also can be sold. When you complete 12 tasks, you will get the Starforge, and that is 3.75 petahash, but this cannot be sold. Okay, so you won't find this in the marketplace. You can get it through this event. And there is another one, again, the Starforge at 3.75 petahash. Now remember that for every task you're completing, you're also getting a prize from the puzzle piece here. So you'll be revealing one of these prizes. I've already managed to reveal 2 pieces right there. So I've done so far the open 2 RLT cases and open 7. I'm on my way to completing the open 18 RLT cases, and I've got 5 more to go. And then I'll be able to open another piece, and I'll be one step closer to getting the first miner at the top as well. Okay, so if you do complete all of the tasks in this list, there are 16 tasks in this list, you will be getting the final reward, which is the Starforge as well at 3.75 petahash, which is the same as the one in level 12. Remember that again, when you're opening these lucky RLT cases during the time of the race tournament, which is valid for 1 day, you will also be going up in the leaderboard in that race tournament, and you can get some great prizes in the race tournament as well. At the moment, the first prize winner will get this miner here, which is the Nebula, which can't be sold as well, and it is powerful at 5 petahash. but you need to try and beat this ski roller that is currently in first position with 331,000 points. I myself currently only have 13,000 points, and at the moment I'm standing at getting this miner here, which is the Mega Stallion, which can be sold at 166.5 terahash, 100 RST, and 2000 terahash in temporary bonus power. That's where I stand at the moment. I could be knocked down and get even less, so be sure to try and keep this going until the very end, which is in another day. So this will end tomorrow, Saturday the 12th of October at 3 p.m. UTC time. So be sure to try and do your best, especially in the last few minutes of the event, to try and get some nice prizes from this as well. And at the same time, again, you'll be getting some rewards from the puzzle event. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.